Buying a major home appliance is an important decision and a big purchase. It's important to know before you go. Make sure you visit www.bigboxappliancereviews.com.
Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews. Guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante. Welcome back. This week we're going to go over things to look for when your dryer's not heating properly or taking too long to dry. This goes for any front load dryer like this one. One thing you can do, if you haven't done since you own the appliance, take out your filter screen, your lint screen, take a brush like I went over in my refrigerator video. You can get them at Home Depot, they're like 20 bucks. You want to clean out the inside of here, make sure it gets a little bit clean. Lint buildup is going to help prevent it from drying as fast or taking a prolonged amount of time to do so. Another thing you can do is turn the power off to your breaker, go into your dryer, pull it out, take off the dryer vent, see if it's caked up with lint from the inside. You can take that same brush, pull it out, get as clear as you can. If you do those steps and it's still not drying as it should, one thing you do is a paper test. And pretty much what that is you're gonna trick the dryer to run with the door open. So you're gonna simply put your finger over your start button or your door switch. You'll take a piece of paper, set it on there similar to that, hit start, and it should suck air through and hold that piece of paper down to that vent. That's pretty much indicating that you have proper airflow going through, so it should heat. If the paper test works, you know, it's holding the paper to that vent, then you have other issues going on inside the dryer. And if that's the case, you want to have a tech to come out there, take a look at it, and really see what's going on with it. That's all I have for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back next week. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.